Hello everyone, I am Ishwar. I study in class 10th Azad in AVM Senior Secondary School, Surrey. I made Smart Fluid Management System. My mentor name is Mr. Pradeep Ji sir. Project overview. This project is designed to manage the rainwater during floods in smart city. It detects measure the distance and water level, and safely transfer excess water to a strong tank using sensor and the water pump. Project working process. First point is a rain detections. A raindrop sensor detect the start of rainfall. As soon as rain begin, a buzzer is activated and nearby people. Second point is rain detections. An ultrasonic sensor measures the distance between the water surface and the sensor. First, second, third, and the full and buzzer is activated. Third point is a water level measurement. A water level sensor measures the depth of the water and the current water level is displayed in real time. Fourth point is a water transfer to tank. Once the water crosses a certain level, a water pump is automatically on with a Bluetooth phone and the water pump transfer excess water to a strong tank. Then I connected one Bluetooth to a Bluetooth chips, and this connected I put one, so the water pump is on. Components introduction: raindrop sensor, breadboard, ultrasonics, arduino, 9-volt battery, LCD, water level sensor, water pump, ultrasonic sensor, arduino, LED module, Bluetooth chips, and etc. Advantage of this project: prevent an urban flooding, smart water management system, and I hope that this project will play an important role in smart flood management system. Thank you.